All right, good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to Rinnai. Nice to have you. My name is Andy Sachs, and for the next few minutes, I will show you why your business can rely on Rinnai to provide enough hot water for your most demanding commercial settings, restaurants, hotels, multifamily, healthcare, and more. And then, as I mentioned, you'll get your Rinnai power bank. You can talk with our Rinnai experts one-on-one. First, who here is a specifier, installer, or business owner? Anybody? All right, couple, good. Do any of these challenges then with your hot water system sound familiar? First, specifiers. You specify systems with enough redundancy to cover most contingencies, but what happens? The capital costs break your client's budget and maybe the project. Installers. You install systems that are difficult to transport and connect, offer inadequate warranties, or worse, they require multiple callbacks after startup. Owners, you are stuck owning water heating equipment that often runs out of hot water or needs replacement in a few years, or both. In each case, your hot water challenges, they cost you. When you lose water, you lose business. Well, Rinnai gets that, and we are here to help. You can rely on our complete line of commercial-grade water heating solutions to avoid all of these hassles, and here's how. First, you can rely on Rinnai to give you better performance, backed by a better warranty. For example, specifiers, our system sizing guarantee from Rinnai's Application Engineering Center of Excellence takes the sizing burden and liability off of your MEP engineer's shoulders. You give us your fixture count, we'll recommend the right system size for you. If it doesn't meet your demand, we'll correct it, no charge. And by the way, you want to remember that phrase for the quiz at the end of the presentation, system sizing guarantee. Say it with me. Systems, good, close enough. You'll thank me for that later. Now that is also backed by a pretty good warranty that in fact is industry leading. It's twice the warranty of competing tank type heaters. And you know who writes warranties? Engineers who know, right? Second, you can rely on Rinnai to save you time and space. That's right, both. In fact, DemandDuo hybrids come pre-assembled and ready to connect to gas, water, and electric. That reduces your install time and does it without cutting corners. Plus, their high quality means no time-sucking callbacks. You're welcome. Installers, why would you settle for a dated one-size-fits-all solution that takes up so much space when your Rinnai systems can install almost anywhere? They're small enough to fit in an elevator or through a 32-inch door. They're light and compact enough to just hang on the wall, or you can install them on the roof if you're in a warmer climate. There's a nice view up there, right? And third, rely on us to increase your reliability and reduce your life cycle costs. Business owners, you will love this. We design all Rinnai systems with redundancies that deliver reliable hot water with near perfect thermal efficiency to lower your energy bills and save you some pretty serious money. And with zero thermal stress on your DemandDuo tanks, they will last nice and long. In fact, longer than traditional tanks and greatly reduce your repair costs along the way. Now, did all this pique your interest? Good. Let's talk equipment. What if you could combine the storage capacity of a tank with the energy efficiency and on-demand technology of tankless? Meet the DemandDuo hybrid water heating system. This is the perfect best of both worlds solution for your commercial applications. Folks, traditional systems heat water in the tank, but DemandDuo uses the tankless, not the tank, as the lone heat source. That eliminates thermal stress and it lengthens your product life. And by the way, with no heating element, no exhaust flue inside the tank, DemandDuo can now use the full capacity of the tank for hot water. That gives you much more storage capacity. And by the way, here's some pretty good news. It's also up to 100 pounds lighter than most tanks, plus it's easier to install and maintain. That is why all your DemandDuos offer that nice big tank warranty. Again, more than double most traditional tanks on the market and one of the best in the industry. In fact, DemandDuo installs like a tank, then provides an unsurpassed first hour delivery up to 543 gallons with the DemandDuo 2, and a tank recovery that just keeps your customers in hot water all day long. Speaking of performance, let's talk Rinnai's latest hybrid technology. Anybody have standard efficiency atmospheric tanks out in the field that maybe could use an upgrade? Yeah? Meet the DemandDuo R series. This is our innovative new hybrid system. Let's check them out. Now, a Category 1 appliance, you can connect your R-Series water heater to a 6-inch single wall or existing double wall B-vent, and really effortlessly with your pre-installed intake exhaust connector and your 3 supplied vent accessories. Then, you connect your cold water inlet at either the bottom or the top of your tank, so running pipe to this unit requires a lot less time and material. In fact, let's see that installation in motion. Okay, DemandDuo makes that installation quick and easy with features like the swivel flex gas line connection that you're seeing right here, plus the pre-assembled condensate drain, electrical connection, and installed gas strip leg. In fact, we estimate that by using DemandDuo's pre-installed items, you're going to save about $250 at least in time and materials. And if you don't believe me, try it. So you may be wondering who is using DemandDuo H&R series today, and Lenny, that's a great question. I'm glad you asked. Companies that depend on hot water rely on DemandDuo at thousands of locations, like Edward Rose & Sons, century-old real estate and development company that manages over 60,000 multifamily units in the U.S. Or how about Concord Hospitality, with over 140 full-service hotels and 20,000 rooms all over North America. And while we're at it, Omni Hotels and Resorts. Their DemandDuo supply guests at their luxury resorts with endless hot water. And by the way, we have a representative from Omni who'll be on stage with us again at 4 o'clock this afternoon, telling you their story in his own words and taking your questions. So we invite you back for that. Folks, I would love to keep going all afternoon. I'd love to keep sharing all the ways you can rely on Rinnai to help your business, like I Can't Help It, our leasing program that folds everything into one low monthly fee so you can focus on your business. And one more, how Rinnai is the first major tankless brand to give you 24/7 nationwide emergency response for repair and replacement. But I respect your time, so I'm going to wrap up. We got a couple quick announcements. We'll run your quiz and give out some free stuff. Sound good? All right. First announcement, when I'm done, it's your turn to talk. Grab a Rinnai staffer, ask your questions, get a demo, learn what you need to know about these tankless heaters. It is time well spent. Second announcement, we have a full slate of presentations. Let me just give you an idea of what we're up to. I am giving this presentation you just saw at 1/4 and 1/4 of every hour that we're not running a panel. And let me tell you, Adam, it's even better from the beginning. So come on back, see it again, bring your friends next time, would you? I appreciate that. Also, today and tomorrow, we have these live customer panels going. We've already done 3 of them. The next one is today at 4 o'clock, featuring a representative from the Omni La Costa Resort in San Diego, telling his story of the experience of trying out Rinnai, the benefits, some of the things he worried about along the way, what life is like afterwards. You can ask him questions yourself. And tomorrow at 11 and 1, we have reps from BRG Realty. Tomorrow at 2 and 4 from the 20 Midtown Project, including Spire Energy. We invite you to come back and see them all. You don't have to listen to me. These are the actual folks who lived through the experience here on stage, telling you their stories in their words and taking your questions. It's kind of a novelty in the trade show world. We really recommend it. It's worth seeing. All right, guys, with that in mind, one last thing to do is to give you the quiz and give out some free stuff. You guys ready for a quiz? You do not seem ready for a quiz. Let me try one more time. Are you ready for a quiz? Yeah. No. All right. Here's how the quiz works. I'm going to ask you 3 questions. And for each one, when I'm done asking the question, the first person to shout the right answer louder than anyone else wins the prize. So you got to be first. You got to be loud. You got to wait till I'm done asking the questions. You want to know what the prize is? All right. I will show you, Bart. The prize is this wicked cool Rinnai tumbler. Isn't this nice? Don't touch it though. I didn't say to touch it. You got to win it. All right, everybody ready? Question number 1. I mentioned Rinnai's guarantee early on, where you give us your fixture count, we'll recommend the right Rinnai tankless system size for you, and if it doesn't meet your demand, we'll correct it, absolutely no charge. Do you remember that? What's that guarantee called? Oh, no contest. System size and guarantee is absolutely right. I can't see your name, but very well done. All right, question number 2, that's how you do it. Question 2, I told you about our hybrid water heating system. that combines the continuous on-demand technology of tankless with the capacity of a durable 80 or 119 gallon tank, right? I told you how it offers more storage capacity. I told you it's up to 100 pounds lighter than other tanks. I told you that it eliminates your thermal stress, right? And lengthens your product life. And I told you that we back it with a 6-year tank warranty that's twice the length of our competitors' tank type heaters. What is that water heating system called? DemandDuo. Adam picks it up. Nicely done, my friend. For those of you who missed it, it was written right here. All right, final question, toughest one of the set. You all should get your phones out because you may need to Google the answer. You ready? All right, I don't know if you're ready, but let's go. When you need enough hot water to suit even your most demanding commercial applications, restaurants, hotels, multifamily, healthcare, and more, what 3-word slogan should you shout out loud? Rely on Rinnai is absolutely correct. I can't see your name. Is it? Zachary. Well done, Zachary. And for those of you who missed it, it is literally written on every available surface on the stage in the biggest possible letters we could make it. And in case you missed those, I'll put it on the screen as well. Guys, thank you so much for joining us. We appreciate it.
That was scary.
Thank you. Panel presentation at 4 o'clock. In the meantime, spend some time with us. Talk to the guys in the white shirts. Get a demo. Ask your questions. Make the most of your time here. Thanks very much for coming by.